In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily rearrange photos in your iPhone's photo album. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app, then tap right here to go to Albums. We can tap at See All to get access to all our albums, and then first off we need to enter one. After that, if you would like to change the order of photos in the particular album, tap right here at three dots and then tap at Sort. That's where we can change the order in that album to oldest to newest, newest to oldest, or custom order. Custom order means that we are able to change the order of photos manually. All you have to do is just long press on a photo and then just move it and place it at any position, just like that. That's how we can easily rearrange photos in iPhone album. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.